Hi, my name is Patrick with ClinicSense, and in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip and also demo how shortcodes work within your treatment notes. So what are shortcodes? Shortcodes are designed to make note-taking easier, faster, and also ensuring data accuracy whenever you're typing in your notes. To access your shortcodes, go into any treatment note, and in the bottom left corner here, you're going to see shortcodes. Click on that, and this will give you a list of all the shortcodes that you currently have. We've already added some shortcodes in here for you as an example, but keep in mind, you can change this at any time. You can delete this at any time by clicking the trash icon, or add your own custom shortcodes by clicking the plus icon. So to illustrate how the shortcodes work, in this example, we have P1 equals client reports paying as 1 out of 10. P2 equals client reports paying as 2 out of 10. So if you wanted to write this in your notes, just simply go to the text box here and type in P1 and the space bar. And this will automatically translate into the long form text. So if you ever find yourself typing the same thing over and over again, shortcodes will go a long way in saving you the much needed time. So this is how shortcodes work. I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, do not hesitate to email us at support@clinicsense.com.